you an arrogant hate and reposted your work.
Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro.
Guys, it's so unfortunate right now. I'm out of breath literally because I've been rushing, and I was taking out my hair. I was meant to show you guys. I was literally taking out the cane rolls, but now I'm literally in the Uber on my way to see my friend because she's actually in hospital. I believe she's gonna be okay. By God's grace, she'll be okay, of course. But guys, we're gonna go there, make sure she's good, and then I'll take you guys around. Today we're actually finally gonna go do our nails, guys. The nail's even breaking off. Look, the nail's even leaving me. I'm in so much pain. So yeah, we're gonna get that sorted out today. My toes as well, some of the colors missing, so they're basically not even done. They were pink before. I didn't like the pink. I want to change it to maybe white or French tip, and I need to go to town to just get some hair stuff as well. So guys, it's gonna be a very eventful day. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Alright, that's fine. Okay.
Okay guys, fortunately my friend's okay, but I just realized I'm wearing the wrong outfit. Like, I plan to wear a specific outfit for today, and it's my errands outfit, but I only wear it when I'm going to do beauty maintenance errands, which is what this week is all about. And I'm annoyed I didn't wear it, so I'm not really in my beauty maintenance zone, but it's alright because we're going to be looking cute regardless, guys. So I'll show you how this nail's coming off. It's actually ridiculous, but I'm about to go fix it right now anyways. These nails are literally like, I feel like they're 5 weeks old. My beauty maintenance is long overdue, but yeah, better late than never. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this.
Not very long. I think 5 or 6 weeks already.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that Metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa.
On YouTube, can I see your channel?
Ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine.
Further down a little bit.
Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it.
You want to drink something?
Oh no, it's okay. I had water before. Thank you.
What you like about him? You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it.
You on YouTube
I'ma
on it?
fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world.
Hey guys, so I've just finished doing my nails. I've got this nice milky white square color, square shape that I let you guys pick on Insta. I'm on my way to Flanders because I want to get my boyfriend this bag that his friend has, and I know he likes it because I heard them talking about it yesterday, and his bag literally broke yesterday as well, so I thought why not. So hopefully they'll have it in stock. So let's go.
Sexy for that Metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah.
So I've literally just taken out my hair and I've only sprayed it with water. and I'm in such a rush to get to my appointment, but it's only because I need to go from London to from Leicester to London to go to my hair. Now I'm about to get breakfast. Why won't you stand up straight? Stand up straight. No. Guys, I don't normally eat like a thief in the night. From next week, we're going to be cooking again. Because all they're seeing is McDonald's breakfast. That's not me. That's not the real me. My hair's still dirty and this shit. Okay, sorry. I'm just putting on my moisturizing, or it's even in my pocket. I was even thinking, where did it go? My Moisture Burst face wash from Sanctuary Spa. I absolutely love it. I've been using this face wash for years. Guys, I'm gonna give a skincare routine because the amount of people that have been requesting for a skincare routine is outrageous. Nah, I need to stop saying that word. It's not outrageous, it's just like unbelievable. Yeah, I definitely need to give that to you guys, but the thing is, it's gonna have to be a mini series because my skin was bad. It was damn bad. And like since then, I've changed my skincare routine a couple times, probably about 3 times, not too many times. I want to recommend the right products for you guys and like what products I like to use together, what works best together. But this definitely is one that you need to have on your shelf. Definitely. Hey guys, so I'm actually way too early for my appointment, so I've just been taking a little walk around and I'm gonna get the train. Look how big my forehead is, guys. So cute. I don't think you guys understand, this install is about to eat up. Like, this is the next picture that you're going to be showing your hairstylist when you're trying to get your next install. This is the pic you're going to need. So you're going to need to save this video for when you're getting your hair next done. Trust me on that one. Popped out, almost swallowed. So excited. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? It's because I was thinking, okay, I don't know if I have the right angle, but when I get the angle, I just speak okay and add music. Friends to send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I feel like I'm in a spaceship. Nah, I'm actually having so much fun down here. I've never been in one of these before. You can't even hear anyone. And my voice is even echoing. Wait, am I making it full? Can you hear me whilst I'm in here? Yeah. Okay, if somebody didn't have this, then what would you recommend they use instead? A hair dryer. Okay. You just have to like, it requires you to like, I don't know, how can I say it? You gotta do a lot of work, you know what I mean? I've got to be standing up like hair drying your head for ages, where I can just put it on the list and then it just does the job. Thank you. The glue has now finished cooking in the microwave. Too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game. I remember when Arrogant Tate reposted your work. That was like, if I can find it, I'll put in the video right here. That was crazy. I didn't let that day go. You should never let it go. Everyone has to know. Yeah, that was something else. I was like, I woke up. Guys, look, she's Arrogant Tate approved. Arrogant Tate approved. Certified. No, but literally, I woke up and I just saw Arrogant Tate saying your message. That's a weird. Nah, I would have thought like it was a dream. I jumped out of my bed. I was running up and down the house. I just was the first night. That's enough reason to get a cake and have a party. No, literally, like that's a celebration right there. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. Too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section Why does I feel like I'm getting married?
Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty.
I feel like a princess.
I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing.
Not even that. You basically
Too sexy for
oh
this,
my
too
days.
sexy for your girl. Too sexy for
Guys, I
this
need a
world.
minute to
Too sexy
compose
for
myself.
life. Too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Even the way it's just
Too
bouncing.
sexy for this chain. Too sexy for your game. Too sexy for this fame. Yeah. Too sexy for the trap. Too sexy for that cap. Too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine. Okay.
Hey GB family, so it's the last day of this beauty maintenance vlog. So currently it's Tuesday. I'm waiting for my Uber, then I'm gonna go get my lashes done. I'm gonna get them taken out, and I think I'm gonna try to do another style of lashes, like a style I've never done before, because I always get cat eye because it just like looks nice. But I want to try something else that's on TikTok. Hopefully I can find a video. If not, I'll just like describe it to my tech. If I do get color, I'm probably gonna add a little bit of pink. And I'm gonna start my next beauty maintenance vlog probably tomorrow or the day after, because there's lots of stuff I want to do. Like I maybe might get new piercings, gonna go back to my eyebrows, perfume shopping, etc, other things as well. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that one too. Like this coffee is too good. One thing about me, I love coffee and I love to customize my coffee. This is too good. I'm gonna see you guys in a second.
Too sexy for that jack. Alright.
On TikTok I saw this set with something like, I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it was called like a doll set or doll
doll eye?
something like that. Yeah.
So a doll eye is when it goes, so it goes short, long, and then short again. So there's not a cat eye effect where it goes long at the end.
Okay. I was thinking to maybe try it out, but do you think it would suit my eye shape?
It's not about suiting, it's about what you, if you like, will like it at the end of the appointment, because it's quite different.
Okay.
So it's up to you.
That jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this girl. Too sexy for your girl. Too sexy for this world.
Normally before my appointments, I message anyone that I expect to contact me.
Saying that you're gonna, I do that too.
Yeah, I'm like, you won't be able to hear from me for a while, so.
Does that mean whoever's calling you?
It's probably someone that I'm not expecting to speak to.
Too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine.
Oh, can I open your eyelids? Oh, I just cocked. You wasn't like that the whole time.
It feels so strange seeing my face without lashes,
Lashes
on.
in it.
You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turn.
That's okay.
I really like them.
Yeah? Can you see through it? I'll show you.
Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl.
Guys, I really love my lashes. I don't know if you can see them properly, but I feel like this is the longest I've ever done, and I wanted to get long because next time I do my lashes I'm thinking to get a shorter set. So I thought, cool, let me experience both ends of the spectrum. It's kind of cute, it's very cute, and it's got pink in it too. I'm gonna go to Tim Hortons and probably grab a cold drink because it's really hot, and I'm gonna edit whilst I wait for Catherine, and then we're gonna go to Primark. But I think I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, but I'm starting a new beauty maintenance vlog again tomorrow, doing other stuff, so make sure you guys subscribe and tap into that. I'm also going to start doing mental maintenance vlogs because we need to maintain our mental health as well, and I think that's just a really cool concept, and more people need to talk about mental health. I feel like everyone's always stuck up on how to look nice, but our mental is very important as well. Cool, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace and love.